Kelantan Police have received 187 reports on flood-related issues from victims in the East Coast state. Deputy State Police Chief Datuk Muhamad Zaki Harun said police personnel stationed at the relief centres were directed to take down reports following the directive issued by the Inspector General of Police recently. He told this to reporters after witnessing the handing over of Kotak Rezeki to the needy by G20 Goldwing Malaysia at Pasir Mas District Police Station here today. Also present were G20 Goldwing Malaysia Chairman Datuk Sulaiman Samiaan and Pasir Mas Police Chief Assistant Commissioner Muhammad Nasaruddin Muhammad Nasir.